Please don't come over here. Please don't come over here. Please don't come over here. They're coming over here. Hi, how can I help you?
She laid down the law.
Bom dia.
You're looking at the new head of the U.S. Treasury. Congrats, my queen. Way to make an impression.
It's crazy now how it is. It's crazy nowadays that like. It's crazy nowadays.
He interrupted himself.
Oh, my mama. You take care of those babies, mama.
Ran out of gas. Should have had surround sound. Animal abuse, perhaps. We can all relate. Really sliced that one. He said relax.
I work out using shoulder. Yo! Yo!
I'm sorry it came out.
Oh, fuck, yo.
I'm not doing this shit.
Dropped her like a bad habit.